Ashley knows her 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times multiplication tables well. Show 2 different ways you could try to help Ashley figure out the answer to 6 times 8 using the facts she already knows well and properties of arithmetic. Okay, so I need to do this 2 ways. 6 times 8. All right, so she knows her 1s through 5s well. So I think I'm going to go with 5s. So I'm going to rewrite the 8. So I'm going to start with 6. I'm going to multiply that. Instead of 8, I'm going to write that as 5 plus 3 and use the distributive property. So that's 6 times 5 plus 6 times 3. And Ashley knows her 5s and her 3s. That was given. So 5 times 6 is 30. And 3 times 6 is 18. 30 plus 18 is 48. So that used the distributive property. They asked you to... Okay, so if I'm going to do this another way, 6 times 8 equals... I'm going to use the associative property for this one so that we can practice using another property. So the 6 I could break into 2 times 3, and the 8 I could break into 4 times 2. All right, so the parentheses right now are here and here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the 3 times the 4 first. Ashley knows her 3s and her 4s, so she should know 3 times 4 is 12. So this is 2 times 12 times 2. All right, we might be pushing the boundaries of what Ashley knows here, but 2 times 12 is 24. We're going to say if she knows her 2 times, maybe she knows up to 12. So 2 times 12 is going to be 24. So this is 24 times 2. And then even if she doesn't know 24 times 2 off the top of her head, she does know the rule of repeated addition. So 24 times 2 means 24 plus 24, which is 48.